Myanmar. Yimkhiung Tribal Council was formed in 1948 and its headquarters at Shamator town, along with the establishment of administrative headquarters in 1955. Although the first representation of Shamator district demand was submitted in 2003 and followed up in 2009, yet we could not convince the mind of the government at the time. Therefore, after a gap of few years, seeing the desire of the people, the Shamator District Drafting Committee was constituted in 2014 and subsequently formed Shamator District Demand Committee in 2016 and submitted a representation to the government of Nagaland, inclusive of all Yimkhiung inhabited areas for administrative conveniences of the community. As all Nagas are aware of, the Yimkhiung family is a conglomeration of 6 dialects. Amongst the 6, the Dikir has been demanding for a separate tribe in Daidi since the early 1980s. We don't want to part ways with them, and we want to live together as one strong family under the umbrella of Yimkhiung. They have been insisting for all these years through thick and thin of the situation. With the growing demand of Shamator District Headquarters, we reach a bottleneck where the only option of fulfilling the aspiration of the people is to grant our brother Dikir a separate tribe. Therefore, after much consultation, deliberation, and prayers, the Yimkhiung agreed to the government for recognition of Dikir tribe on 13 January 2022 and a day to be considered as red letter day for the brothers in lieu of Shamator district. Thus, the cry of Yimkhiung for a district have been answered and realized today. In the process of shaping our community, the 2 brothers of Yimkhiung and Dikir have been in the wrong limelight in Naga society over the past few decades, which to have caused inconveniences to the government of Nagaland on many occasions. However, with the consensus agreement and maintaining status quo and agreed to respect each other's tribal headquarters as claimed, that is Yimkhiung tribe for Shamator and Dikir tribe for Kusam, the decade-long conflicts and inconveniences will be led to rest. We will continue to coexist as brothers and sisters and also as trustworthy